Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you very simple, very short setup for effective Google Ads lead gen advertising. If you're familiar with targeting in Facebook, Instagram, you will see that this approach very similar. And in fact, this approach will give you more high quality leads than Facebook and Instagram targeting, but with a little bit higher price. So a little bit higher cost per acquisition, but higher quality, better leads. These leads will have higher average order volume, and these leads will give you higher ROAS. So let's dive into Google Ads settings. Now I don't want to concentrate on every single nuance. I just want to give you overall concept, overall idea about this setup. You need to choose demand gen type of campaigns, deselect TV screens, and deselect Google Display Network at the campaign level. Also, you need to set up at campaign level country where you want to or region where you want to show your ads, and the language of your customers. On the next step, when you will set up ad group, choose one single option, Discover. Discover is the internal Google network. Google doesn't include this network into Google Display Network. That's why in Discover network we can see much higher quality of leads than in Google Display Network. So choose only one channel, Discover. Leave the audience option blank, so wide audience, broad audience without any limitations, and turn off optimized targeting. Small piece of advice regarding audiences. If you have quite specific product, for example, only for one gender or for one age group or only for narrow audience, in this case I would recommend you to set up the audience. But if you have quite broad product that can be sold to any customer, any gender, any age, any interest, I highly recommend you initially start with the blank audience. I'm taking 32 seconds to share something important with you, so you can stop wasting your ad budget. I've managed over $700 million in Google Ads, so all my insights are tested and proven. I regularly talk to senior leaders at Google, and I'm official Google partner. My students, entrepreneurs all over the world, have already optimized their ad campaigns, cut costs, and boosted sales using my methods. These strategies work for any budget, whether it's $500 or $5 million. I invite you to use these proven methods too. Click the link in the description and make your ads more effective. And the best part, when you create the ad, it's enough to you to create only image type of ad, without videos, without carousel, and so on. Only image. Just upload to this ad photos of your product or your service or yourself if you're an expert, and add headlines and description about your product. As you can see, in my case, it's just my photos and descriptions what I'm offering. Also, one important thing, always deselect the videos and adaptive layouts, because from your photos, from your headlines, Google could generate video ads, and these video ads will look not so fancy, as you can imagine, if we compare with properly edited, properly recorded videos. So our main goal now, not to create like very wide fancy ads, but to test a demand gen with the setup that I've offered you. So only one channel, Discover, only one type of ads, image, broad ads if it's acceptable for your offer, and give several days to this setup to learn and to start advertise. And you will see that you will start to receive leads, conversions, the campaign will be initially 5-7 days in learning phase, and you could think that cost per acquisition is quite high and you will want to stop the ads. My advice: wait until end of the learning phase, and only then change the bidding strategy from maximize conversion to target CPA, and gradually, step by step, decrease the target CPA before you will receive, before you will hit your KPI for this parameter. So use this simple setup and let me know in comment section if you are happy with pieces of advice, with ideas that I share with you on this channel. See you!